Hello mga kabayan! Another food trip here at Kyoko Japanese Sentai Restaurant. Located here at Moore Street, ground floor at AG Hotel. Pagpasok mo pa lang, makikita mo na ang ganda ng ambience. Relaxing, cozy at modern. Ang cool pa kasi kitang-kita mo kung paano nila ginagawa ng fresh ang sushi sa harap mo mismo. Tara, tikman na natin ng mga in-order natin. Unang dumating sa table namin ay yung Thai Tom Kha Soup, creamy coconut base soup na may konting asim at sarap. Perfect panimula. At ang sumunod, sinundan ito ng salted edamame. Light snack na healthy at lightly salted lang. Sakto pampagana. Then we had the tempura crispy. Hindi siya oily. Ang sarap ng butter. The fried gyoza naman juicy sa loob at crispy ng balot. Lutong restaurant talaga. Tapos yung crab salad, malamig at refreshing with creamy dressing na bagay sa shredded crab. Isa sa highlight ng gabi, yung kani crush roll. Sarap. Flavorful, rich at perfect sa mga crab lovers. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pad thai. May tamis, alat, konting spice at may crunch pa mula sa peanuts. Next, we tried the Shio chicken ramen. Malasa ang broth at tender yung chicken. Very comforting. Then yung seafood fried rice loaded sa shrimp at squid. Flavorful at super satisfying. For dessert, we had the classic mango stick rice. Sweet, soft rice with coconut cream with fresh mango. Panalo. And for drinks, we got the Kyoko Mango Melon and Strawberry Mojito. Both ay super refreshing, fruity, and bagay sa pang-end ng meal. Good news mga kabayan, when you visit and dine in, get 25% discount kapag ginamit nyo ang promo code ko. Kyoko GL25. Sulit diba? May kita nyo ang Kyoko Japanese and Thai Restaurant sa Murur Road, ground floor ng AG Hotel, Abu Dhabi City. Kaya ano pang hinihintay yung mga kabayan? Don't miss out. Try nyo na!